Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. Welcome to free Amazon FBA course. I'm here for you with a new course of free Amazon FBA course. In this lecture, I will tell you that what is an Amazon FBA business. If you wanted to become an Amazon FBA business expert, then you should have to learn its basics first. Then you can become a professional in this field. So keep watching this lecture from the start till the end so you can get maximum knowledge about Amazon FBA business. Let's get started. What is FBA? FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. It is a service offered by Amazon where they store your inventory for you and one of their fulfillment centers. Then when you make a sale on Amazon stuff and robots actually pack, ship and handle customer service on your behalf. What is an Amazon FBA business? I'm sure you have heard of Amazon. It is the largest online retailer in the USA, UK and much of Europe. A household name, but what you might not know is that when you purchase something from Amazon, there is a very good chance that you are buying from a third-party seller using a service called Amazon FBA. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. What it means is that Amazon looks after all of the seller's stock. When a customer places an order, it bypasses the seller altogether and goes straight to the FBA warehouse. Amazon then picks out the order and delivers it to the customer. Amazon FBA also handles most of the customer service. They process all customer returns and only the most specific queries get forwarded on to the seller. To the customer, there is almost no difference between purchasing from Amazon directly and from a person selling their items on Amazon through Amazon FBA. They get the same delivery options, the same returns policy and the same customer service team. Please feel free to give your comment if you face any difficulty here.